New law in South Carolina is regulating when and where golf carts can be used. 7 News' Ariana Meadows has more from Clemson.
Clemson City Council is now allowing residents to drive golf carts at night.
Here in Clemson, not only are there golf carts on campus, but we have residents that own and operate golf carts as well.
In South Carolina, golf cart laws have been updated. Local governments can now make their restrictions in addition to what the new state law says.
Based on the dynamics of the city of Clemson and how many of our residents who own golf carts utilize their golf carts and want to use their golf carts, the city council decided to pass an ordinance to allow for carts to be used at night.
Chief Jorge Campos says golf carts are allowed on the roads any time of the day, as long as head and tail lights and proper turn signals work. But golf carts are only allowed on the roads with a speed limit of 35 miles per hour or less. In addition to this, the new state law says children under 12 must wear a seatbelt and drivers must be 16 years or older with a driver's license. Also, golf carts can only be driven within a 4-mile radius of where it is registered.
Or if you live in a gated community, 4 miles from the front gate to that gated community. So that is a state law, that is not a local ordinance.
Before golf carts can go on the road, drivers must buy one of these permit stickers from the DMV. The city says golf carts are subject to the same fines and fees as any other vehicle. They must also be parked in a spot and will have to pay to park downtown. Football season is around the corner, which is when the city says they see golf carts the most.
People will bring golf carts in from the outside to help shuttle people to and from their parking spaces. One thing that we have to make clear is under state law, a golf cart is prohibited of being used as a taxi.
Clemson police say there is not a curfew for how long golf carts can be driven. In Clemson, Ariana Meadows, 7 News.
And the city of Clemson says violations of this state law can result in impoundment, fines, and misdemeanor charges.